Hello, welcome back, friends. Happy to have you here. I am Dee. Welcome back to our channel, Mobile Home Flipper. Let's go ahead and share a $15,000 profit in less than 2 weeks with you. We here focus on mobile homes and mobile home flipping. We have this mobile home that I'm sharing right here with you. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. 1983. It obviously has had some updates done to it. The outside is pretty clean, especially as far as the park's concerned. They just wanted a little piece of skirting taken care of, and we can use that lawnmower to clean up the rest of it. Essentially, what's happened is for the last, probably about 4 months, the individuals that were living in here have moved out, and now they are paying for 2 living setups, because in order for them to be able to continue to have and own this home, they need to keep on paying lot rent. So obviously that's a financial burden, especially when you're expecting a baby, and especially when you can have 2 incomes coming in at that time. She, within the last month, had gotten to the point where she couldn't work for a bit. She's expecting within, I think, a week and a half. So she's pretty close to be getting ready to burst and have her brand new baby girl. So her motivation changed about 3 weeks ago, almost a month ago. She reached out to me and said, hey, are you interested in my mobile home? $45,000 the asking price. I said, no, because there's work that needs to be done, and we just can't pay market right now. And that's what our market has adjusted back down to. And so she's like, okay, fine, whatever. So with Monday, she reached out to me this Monday and said, hey, I just need to get rid of it. What can you offer me? Can you give me another offer price? I offered her 14. She accepted, probably offered too much. And basically, all in all, what ended up happening is that offer was made on Monday morning, and I had title in hand and keys to the home, this home, Monday evening. The thing that's really cool about it is on Tuesday afternoon, a cash buyer came in to one of our lead sources, and they're looking for a home in this community with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath within kind of that price point. And so what she said to me, she goes, can you send me pictures? I sent her pictures. She says, I love what you've got. What are you asking? I gave her 2 different scenarios. I said, if you end up waiting for us to do the repairs, you won't be able to get into it, and the price is going to be $45,000. If you take the home as is, but you have to close by the 1st of the month, it'll be $30,000. She's meeting with me on Thursday. Cash in hand, already approved with the community. And the thing that's cool about that is lot rent would be due, and we'd have to take over ownership of the home as of the 1st of November, first week of November. So if we can quickly turn this, it's essentially us just exchanging money for more money, and to be able to net $16,000 very quickly on this home. If you end up accounting for different costs associated with it, essentially just shy of 16, so 15 basically, if you want to call it. So we get all of our money back, plus we make another 15. So guess what can happen then? We can take that and we can go buy 2 more homes, or now have money for a rehab on another home. So the thing that's awesome is the way that this business multiplies. The thing that's awesome is that I've talked to a lot of realtors, real estate agents that are in my same market that are struggling to sell site-built homes. They haven't sold anything in 9 months. We have sold 7 homes, mobile homes, within the last 3 months. And this will end up being another one that we can add to that sheet. So we're selling them a lot faster than what single-family homes are, because they're more affordable, and we also offer financing. So the thing is this: when other markets, portions of the real estate market are slowing, are being affected pretty dramatically by interest rates and other things like that, we essentially end up being able to skirt by that because of the product that we offer, the price point that we offer at. And you can do more deals, and you can spread your money out over a variety of different places. Average home purchase price with rehab and also carrying costs in our area here on average is probably about $450,000. $450,000 when you're first getting started is very, very difficult. How about 15? You could probably get a personal line of credit, have some friends throw some money in there, use if you own a car that has a title on it, use basically get a title loan, quick title loan on that. You can end up getting a personal line of credit. You could do a home equity line of credit. You can get a personal credit card, borrow against that. I mean, there are so many different things you can do. And you can even get creative with being able to just secure the contract and being able to flip the contract to somebody else, which is called wholesaling. Okay. So there's a lot of different ways to be able to do this business without a ton of capital. And even when you're first getting started, you really don't necessarily know what you're doing. We're here to help you. That's another reason why you're here watching our channel. So you came to the right place. We've got great information for you. This is another example of what we do on a daily basis. Love to share that information with you and our successes, and would love to see that you have the same type of successes. Make it a great day.